Hey there all viewers. Welcome back to another Healthy Lifestyle Supports Channel's video. In our latest video, we already talked about the 11 best foods that boost brain health and memory. Also, we promised to talk more about the 7 worst foods for your brain and memory within this video. Actually, your brain is the most important organ in your body. It plays important roles to keep your heart beating, lungs breathing and all the systems in your body functioning. That's why it's essential to keep your brain working in optimum condition with a healthy diet. Eating the right foods to keep your brain healthy can dramatically decrease your risk of developing neurological problems later in life. However, some foods have negative effects on the brain, impacting your memory and mood and increasing your risk of dementia. Estimates predict that dementia will affect more than 65 million people worldwide by 2030. Luckily, you can help reduce your risk of the disease by cutting certain foods out of your diet. Well, this video reveals the 7 worst foods for your brain and memory that you should limit or avoid, as following.